Welcome back to the channel where we have everyday tips for everyday tech. Today we're going to learn how to adjust your ringtone and your text message alert sounds. So what you want to do is unlock the iPhone and navigate to your settings application, and then under sounds you'll click there, and then this will give you access to adjust the ringtones and text tones and any tones associated with your voicemail, your incoming emails, things like that, as well as calendar, reminder, and if you airdrop a file from another iPhone. So you'll select ringtone, and then you can simply choose from the different options listed. And then you can also take a look at ones that you've downloaded or purchased. You'll see those in the list here. So it's quite easy. And then you can also adjust the vibration pattern. So when the phone vibrates while you're receiving a phone call or text message, there is different settings that you can adjust here. It's pretty handy. And you can also do the same for your text messaging, things like that. So very, very handy, very easy to adjust. And you have all these different options that you can adjust for. Alright, if you guys found this video handy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so YouTube will notify you of new releases, and leave a like and a comment. I want to hear what you guys would like me to cover next. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.